So I want to show you the Snailax Foot Massager. It is roughly 15 inches this way by 12 inches by about 6.5 inches from the floor up to the highest. These sleeves are removable, so you can throw them in the wash and let them air dry. All the controls are here as well as on the remote control. The volume on the remote control is to turn the beeping off when you press the buttons. Let me show you what I mean by that. So I can, how right there it shows low, medium, high. I can change this. That's or off. And this is the heat. That's high is red, blue is low, and off. So when you turn it on, you can decide if you want, this is the air compression here. That's like balloons that are in there that inflate against your feet, and that will compress against your foot and feel really great. The vibration, it is going to vibrate. The kneading is going to make it feel like this. It's got actually like rollers that are going to kind of roll across the feet is how it's going to feel. And then the heat, just two different temperatures or off. So I'm going to go ahead and do it from here and kind of feel how it feels because I haven't stuck my feet in it yet. So let's see. Now this should hold, ooh, first of all, it's nice and feels good on the feet. I can feel different like little balls or something underneath the feet there. So let's go ahead and let's start with, that's all of them. And wow, that's quite the sensation with all of them on. The balloons are inflating against it, which make it feel like my whole foot is being squeezed. Not like tight, like ouch, but like, oh, nice. And wow, the kneading one is the like balls that roll under the feet. And that feels incredible. And then the vibration is just a vibration. Wow. So I'm going to increase the, let's increase the kneading one, which is this one here, up to the, and that makes the balls go across the feet faster. And it's balls that are, not only are the balls spinning, but they're kind of going this way, rotating. There's several balls and it's kind of rotating across the bottom of your foot is how it feels. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm that I just turned the kneading up to the highest, and that, oh, it feels, this is I love this. This is awesome. Let's do increase the air compression, which is those inflatable balloon type things, cushions in there. Oh yeah, I like it with the more compression against them. And you can hear, it's not like super quiet, but it's not super loud either, but you can hear the vibrating and the little motor that's turning things and stuff and the pump. This is phenomenal. I am so tickled with this. I had no idea what this would feel like, and I tell you, I love this, and this is something that would be incredible for a gift for someone, especially someone that works standing up all day. Oh my gosh, you got to feel this. You just simply have to feel this. This is marvelous. This is fabulous. I love it.